Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here. Today we're looking at a brand new feature that should be coming to Cash App soon. So this will allow you to do a loan or borrow some money. I've looked through my app, I can't find it in there anywhere, so I'm guessing this isn't out yet, or it's only out to certain people, it's only being tested. Maybe it'll be rolled out to everybody soon, but let's take a look at what we have here. So this is from Wade Arnold. He's a CEO at a different company, but he posted this screenshot and he said, "Some days I just want to give up on fintech and get a job at Square. Well done, Cash App." And then he includes this screenshot here. So let's take a look at what we have here. It's definitely some sort of loan feature. And it says borrow up to $200, repay it all at once or in 4 weekly installments. So for this specific account, he can do up to $200 and there would be a minimum of $20. So I'm guessing if he's short on money, you're probably gonna have to have your bank accounts or credit cards, something of that sort connected, so that if you choose not to pay back, then you're kind of screwed. And I don't know what the interest rate or anything like that'll be, but somehow this will allow you to borrow money and then pay them back at a later date. So a pretty cool feature. I think this will be very helpful to a lot of people. There you have it, a cool new loan feature coming to Cash App. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.